Guys, I'm showing you this Fezen food vacuum sealer machine. It's an automatic food sealer with a dry and moist vacuum sealer, or the easy operation with the 5 working modes to preserve your food. So as you can see, this comes in a protective box with these 5 sealing bags and the accessory to seal the bottles, or the vacuum seal the bottles. So this is the manual, and everything in the package is showing here. So this is a very nice thing because to keep the fresh up to 8x longer, and you can take out all the air so that the food will be preserved for a long time than the usual one. So it's a helpful thing, and this is the vacuum sealing, like the bottle vacuum sealing accessory that you can put in here. So this is a vacuum tray here. You have to remove this protective covering to use it before. So it's a nice design, and like looks like quality work with the material. And these are the sealing bags that you can put in the food and seal them. So this is the manual. So it's pretty much straightforward thing with this wet and the dry vacuum options. And you can also see like the food you can do. There is a manual vacuum as well, or the sealing thing. So this is the vacuum button for the manual for the cup, and you have to remove this tray, put in this attachment here, and press this vacuum button on the top, not on the top cover but near to this one. So I will show this demo, like just put in this in the electricity so I can show it operation. So this is on here, you can see the light blinking. So all the operation I showed in the corner, and this is for the vacuum. So I will just take this tray and show the working of this accessory for the vacuum, like the bottle thing. So just put in the accessory, and you can just put in and put this vacuum button, and you can see that it is really holding well. My hand is totally stuck with this vacuum, and when it takes it out, you can see like its effect. So keep away the kids from it, and this is a very great section capacity here, and for the bottles and anything. So I'm just sealing this popcorn bag with a sealer. You have to lock this from this top, and then press this dry vacuum and sealer thing, and you can see that how this is taking the air from this bag. And once it says like stop, this is done, the side button to unlock, and you will see like it sealed it really nice, and then this is totally vacuum packed. So very nice thing, and is very helpful in the kitchen or for your food stuff, or even if you want to take it somewhere. And the machine is also portable, that you can use anywhere you want. So as I said, it protect the food 8x longer, and this helpful for the vacuum thing. And there are the other thing, like you can do manual vacuum, you can do manual sealing. So it's like for the manual vacuum, you just press this, keep pressing this button, and it will just take out the air from the bag. So it will not seal it, but you can just take out the air. So if you want to put this bag, or something like this, or the clip, and you can just use it, open it, and the air will be inside. It's a very helpful vacuum sealer and very nice.